In this video, I will be using this WD-40. It's a silicone-based quick dry lubricator. You can pick up this from any hardware store. I got mine from Amazon. Okay, now that the cleaning part is done, we're gonna start spraying this silicone-based lubricator on the hinges and also on the rolls itself. Just spraying on the hinges, on the bearing like this. Also make sure to spray the in-between hinges, have it lubricated. Okay. Alright, with all the sprays on the joint and hinges, here's the final product. Almost breaking. So much fire.